Hi, I am Meanie Biology. Today's our topic from Ants documentary is the part 2. Social grades distinction between ants and division of labour between them. So first of all, what is mean by social grading? It's basically how ants run their tiny empire, ranking their teamwork like pros. In ants, social grading means every ant knows its damn job. Queen makes babies, workers slave away, soldiers guard the fort. No drama, no confusion. It's like nature said, you work, you protect, you sit on your royal butt. And guess what? They actually listen. The social world of insects, where drama meets discipline, and everyone knows their job from birth. Insects organize their lives, focusing on the division of labor and the different levels of social organization they achieve. Unlike human societies, where chaos and free will rule, the structure of an insect colony is largely fixed and determined by their bodies and instincts, not by learning. 3 grades of social life, the social grades distinction. Social insects are categorized into 3 main grades based on how individuals in the colony interact and reproduce. Stack 1, subsocial or family grade. What it is, this is the lowest grade of social habit. Key feature, it involves some form of family life where the mother or both parents live with and actively help their developing young. Analogy, think of a simple family unit where parents stay with their young until they're grown, like certain beetles or earwigs just vibing with their kids. Nasha 2, true social or colonial grade. What it is, the middle grade of social habit. Key feature, the young, once fully grown, stay with their parents. They cooperate to build the nest and care for future generations, a true case of family business. Analogy, it's like an extended family living together and working on a shared home, such as many wasp species that probably invented teamwork before humans did. Nava 3, caste society grade. What it is, the highest and most complex grade. Key feature, some of the young are permanently transformed into unsexed neuters, like worker bees or ants. These neuters take on nearly all the duties of the colony, foraging, building, defense, and let the fertile ones, the queen and sometimes males, relax with only one responsibility, reproduction. The division of labor, born to the job. A central theme in insect society is the division of labor, which is largely predetermined. An insect is literally born knowing its job. No school, no internship, just instinct. None are one structural predetermination, caste differences. The physical body structure or morphology dictates the job. Different jobs equals different shapes. Extreme examples. The tiniest worker ants can be hundreds or even thousands of times smaller than the fertile males or females. And the soldier of Fedole ants? That dude's head is so huge it's bigger than the rest of his body. He's basically a walking bicep. Division of labor, the colony's secret blueprint. Every social insect colony is basically a living machine, each individual a tiny, pre-programmed cog with a specific purpose. No confusion, no laziness, no I'll do it tomorrow. Everyone is born knowing their job. It's not a democracy, it's destiny. Now in ants, the queen, the living womb of the colony. Let's start with Her Majesty. The queen is the center of it all, the only one who lays eggs. She's not a ruler with authority, she's a factory with a heartbeat. Her body is massive, especially the abdomen, basically an egg-laying machine fueled by stored sperm from her one-time mating flight, the only date of her life. After that, she settles in, loses her wings, and devotes her entire existence to producing the next generation. But don't think she's alone. Her scent, called pheromones, acts like an invisible Wi-Fi signal that controls and unites the whole colony. She literally chemically keeps everyone in line. Without her pheromones, the colony goes feral. Workers start laying eggs, soldiers lose focus, and chaos breaks loose like a tiny apocalypse. The workers, the backbone, the builders, the babysitters. The workers, the largest group and the real heroes. They are female, but sterile. The loyal sisters who do everything. They clean, they feed the larvae, they repair tunnels, they forage for food, they nurse the queen. They even carry away the dead like tiny funeral staff. Foragers, the explorers. They leave the nest to hunt, scout, and bring back resources. And if one finds a jackpot of food, she'll mark the trail with pheromones so others can follow. Basically the insect version of dropping a Google Map pin. Of the soldiers, the colony's muscle. Ah yes, the soldiers, big-headed, strong-jawed, and born to bite. They're technically just another type of worker, but built like tiny tanks. Their role? Defense and intimidation. They'll fight off predators, spiders, centipedes, rival ant colonies. That's not fiction. That's nature going full horror movie. Okay, fellas, the other part will be on fishes. Haha, wait for it. Subscribe, mother father, meow!